Good afternoon. Second one of the day. A stunning Yamaha R1. This is the 60th anniversary edition with every available option you can imagine. Bars has sorted them out with all the carbon bits. He put the die-mag wheels, all the sprockets, brakes, full Brembos. What a stunning bit of kit. This is going to get one of our full works packages, so a proper snow foam safe wash, degrease, debug, then we'll get it in the studio. I'm going to do a bit of machine polishing on this bodywork. I've got a couple of little bits I'm going to try to touch up for him. And then we're going to apply the ceramic, signature 4K ceramic on every nook and cranny of this bike. We'll airbrush it on all the motor, apply it by hand to all the bodywork and the wheels. So let's get cracking. Got a bit of polishing to do. Let's get it washed and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. Look at all this carbon. If you're looking for any carbon bits, hit up Bars. I'll put his details in the description. He does all the carbon bits for these R1s. So yeah, let's get started on this beauty. Okay, this stunning R1 is now fully washed, decontaminated, and degreased. Just got it in the studio, doing a bit of polishing. Just got all the carbon polished off the end of there, polishing up the pipe, even polished up these little springs here. Now we're going to crack on with a bit of machine polishing on the bodywork. These wheels are brand new, so basically I'm just going to give those a quick once over and then we'll prep them and I'll treat it with the signature 4K ceramic. So like I said, we're going to do a bit of polishing on this bodywork. It's got a few little blemishes. Get a nice bit of gloss back to this red before we prep it and apply any ceramic. This Yamaha R1 has now been fully trotted. Look at the freaking gloss on that. This had one of our full works packages, everything thrown at it. What a trick bit of kit. Single stage machine polish on all the bodywork just to get a nice bit of gloss back to it. I touched up a couple little marks, but these wheels are absolutely stunning. Every single nook of this bike has been coated with the signature 4K ceramic, airbrushed onto all the motors, suspension linkages, all applied by hand to these stunning wheels. Look at the gloss on those. That's 5 years worth of protection. Good old Signature Pro. Look at that gloss it leaves. Absolutely on point. What a stunning bit of kit. Don't forget, winter is on its way. Time to get your bike down and get it trotted. Keep it looking its finest for years to come. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963. If you want any carbon bits for your R1, give Vars a ring. I'll put his details. Every single bit of carbon on this bike has been supplied by him and fully maintained by the boys over at RMC. What a stunning bit of kit. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.